When you book your full system installation with Action Furnace, your personal home comfort advisor will come to your home to begin the home analysis process. During the evaluation, we'll determine the size of your home, the details of the installation, any modifications that may be needed to the home, properly size your new equipment, all while keeping your home comfort needs in mind. It's important to have the right-sized furnace and AC combination and have it installed correctly to ensure performance long-term. As Alberta's premier comfort dealer, we take the time to fully explain all our recommendations, ensuring you have the information needed to make the best decision for your home. We'll provide a detailed overview of our most popular equipment models, highlighting key differences in performance, energy savings, and reliability. Our goal is to help you find a heating and cooling solution that delivers optimal performance, efficiency, and long-term value. At Action Furnace, we have a large inventory of high-efficiency full system options, and we'll install your new equipment as soon as possible to get you back to living comfortably. Our team is dedicated to providing you clean and respectful service, and will complete your installation with minimal interruption to your day-to-day life. Once your installation is complete, your technician will go through the operation of the new system for ultimate home comfort settings. Finally, with our exclusive comfort guarantee, we guarantee that the new system we install in your home will heat or cool your home, as we have stated, to a variance of plus or minus 3 degrees. If the promised temperature range is not achieved, we will replace the system at no charge.